Hello friends, welcome to Gokul Tech. Today is a formula number 11, which is replace. Before jumping into video, I need a request to everyone that to know more updates about our channel, please do follow our Instagram ID. The link for the Instagram ID is given in the description as well. And we have done almost 10 different formulas earlier. If you have not seen the video of earlier, we have given the same link of all the 10 different formulas in the description as well. And I request everyone to share your valuable feedback or where we need to improvise or we have to go with the same one or based on your doubts also in the comment section. It will be helpful for us to improve and also to help you guys. Let's start with the video. So today's topic is about replace. So what is replace? How it will work? So replace means replacing something which is existing in the cell value. So that's the meaning for the replace. Yes. And how it will work is like we'll start and we'll explain you. If you select replace, right, equal to replace, you can see the syntax old text coming in the picture and start number of characters and new text. So we'll see what will be there. So old text means the from which cell value you need to change. Okay, so I am selecting the caret, which is E2. Okay, and then comma start number from which letter you want to change the spelling. Suppose instead of caret, if I have misspelled something, I need to add that value, right? So that time I need to change the number. So suppose in caret I need to add s at the last, right? So it will be like 2 3 4 5 6. So I need to start the number at 7. So number of characters I need to add is only 1. What is the new text I need to add is yes. Sorry, yes in the double quotes because it's a string value. Just press enter. You can see the value is added, the s is added at the last, right? That's how it will work. Now suppose let's say for this one the crackers, I am just making the spelling as wrong, like crackers. Instead of ers I am just making it as ars. Now I need to replace the a instead of e, it should be e, not to be the a. I'm just replacing it now. How it will be like equal to replace. The old text will be this particular column D3 and comma. Starting number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's the sixth value. Again, give the 6. Number of characters to be changed is 1. What is the value I need to replace is e. And then I'm closing the text and I'm clicking the yes. You can see the value is changed. Hope you guys have understood this video. If you're having any query in this, please do post your query in the comment box, or else you can reach out to us through Instagram or WhatsApp as well. See you in the next video. Until then, bye from Gokul Tech. Thank you. Jai Hind.